It's time for root beer. It doesn't taste that good. But what else am I going to have? Water? I don't think so. Let's see what's in the fridge. Let's see, we've got some purple stuff. Orange juice. No Sunny D though. Let's see, I got some cheese, some meat, cheese. Got some fruit. Got some lettuce and there's a pepper in there for some reason. And look, there's cat food. That's my favorite. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to drink this root beer. I'll tell you how it tastes. Tastes like disgusting acid. Let's see what's in the root beer. We have water, carbonated water, caramel color. Hold on, I need to put this down. Caramel color, sodium benzoate, aspartame, modified cornstarch, something potassium, natural and artificial flavors, and malic acid. Oh, and it has my favorite, phenylketonuria and phenylalanine. Oh, you guys couldn't even see that. Screw you guys, who cares? I got root beer and you don't. Well, I'm going to drink this and you guys are going to have to imagine me drinking all of it because you guys don't get to watch me. That's the magic of being me.